A wonderful initiative that he has actually taken, and I don't want to spoil it by telling you, so I would like to request him to actually tell you guys himself, please.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I know it was unplanned, but you have been an amazing MC, and every interview and every conduct that you've done and the stories that you've told, incredible. So well done on that. It's always very difficult to stand up here and entertain people for about an hour or so, especially in the presence of these legends. I'll tell you a story. When I first played with Taimur Bhai, it was incredible, and he just kept asking me to slow down and to just concentrate. And his presence on the crease with you just automatically boosts your morale and makes you a better cricketer overall. And Irshad Bhai, of course, every time, when he bowls, it's incredible magic. So with these two legends in mind, and one of the stories and one of the things mentioned earlier was about we want to see more Asian cricketers flourish. We want to see more cricket within our communities. We want to make it more receptive and make it more entertaining, and in terms of creating opportunities for our community. And with that in mind, I have immense pride to mention that we are launching a new cricket club called Milton Keynes Crescent Cricket Club in Milton Keynes. MK Crescent is not just a cricket club, it's a community interest company. It's built for our community, it will be run by our community, all initiatives, everything will be member-led. It has formed an interim committee for transparency purposes. It has built its own constitution bill based on England and Wales Cricket Club. We are in the process of registering it. What I want to share with you is the vision. The vision of the club is to remain transparent and keep it open for all ages. What I can tell you is, playing with Taimur Bhai, it is an immense pleasure that we have seen teenagers play in the same team with seniors. And that experience is very cultivating and nurturing for our future talent. The second aspect of the vision is building it for the youth and women empowerment. We do not see a lot of Asian women playing cricket, and that is down to our community outreach perspective. And a key aspect of MK Crescent will be that we will promote women and youth initiatives under the Crescent. The third aspect, which is very important, is creating youth academies and opportunities for our youth, so they can flourish, they can get trained and get experience and mentored by our legends. And that creates the dynamism and the dynamics, which we have these 1 in thousands here sitting. We want to create more of that. And that will only happen when we all come together and promote it from that perspective. I'm really pleased that our interim committee with Khurram, with Mr. Wajid and Ansar, we have got, great people running it, and I would welcome you guys to take part and ask us any questions later on as well. We will inshallah be doing a formal launch very soon once the club is registered, and in the process of building our own facilities. So that will create a new aspect of that. I'm also really grateful for other cricket clubs, like we've got Rashid Bhai here, General Secretary of Westcroft Cricket Club, who are supporting this initiative. Because what we need to see in our communities is, it's not about competition from that within the community, it's about creating more opportunities. The population of Milton Keynes has been increasing over the last 20 years. It is the fastest growing city in Europe. We need more facilities. I've been in liaison with the MK Council because they are building up a new pitch strategy. And it is pretty clear that we do not have enough playing and sporting facilities for our youth and for our communities. New housing estates are being developed, new football pitches are being created, but they do not have the same cricketing opportunities. So that is a huge drawback that we have to face as a sport. So if we want to leave a legacy, that is what we need to as a community work together and promote the sport.
Thank you everyone for coming in, and as ever we will be here to support any new club who is supporting youth and women cricket. Inshallah, we will work together with all the communities, including MCCS. Thank you.
Thank you, Nasir.
Imran Bhai, just to extend the support, I was involved in developing the playing field strategy in Luton. So if you need ever any help or support.
Yes, definitely. So the last one was built in 2020 and they are revamping it, so we need to just talk about that.